Hi, so if you're managing a business that is spread across multiple locations, this video is for you. Every day Google reviews come in, some positive and some negative, and someone on your team has to manually read and reply to every single one of them. It's repetitive, time consuming, and honestly, exactly the kind of thing that needs to be automated. That is what we built for a mattress retail chain with multiple stores in Mumbai. As you can see, there are multiple stores spread across Mumbai. Every location has its own Google business profile, and someone from the team has to manually check every review, write the responses, and post them one by one. The replies were inconsistent, and the reviews sat unanswered for days, and some of them even were missed occasionally. So we built an automation that checks for reviews. When a new review comes in, the system automatically identifies whether it's a good review, a positive one, or a negative one, and selects the appropriate response from the template that have been set variable, and would select the appropriate response according to whatever the review was. So this is the reply for the negative review, and this is the reply for the positive one. I can show you one history run. So it ran on June 1 at 5:17 p.m. and it fetched a 4-star for Manish Makhija, and a review was for Vikas Singh that was 5 stars. It fetched the reviews and selected the appropriate responses. Like Manish Makhija dropped 4 stars, so the system left the positive response that said, "Thanks for the shout out, thrilled to hear that you enjoyed your experience with us," here as a positive reviews response. "Thanks for the shout out, thrilled to hear that you've enjoyed your experience with us." So that's exactly what the review was posted for Manish Makhija, and was automatically posted to the Google review as well. Here, as you can see, Manish Makhija, it was posted on the Google business profile directly. And if someone leaves 1-star review, it automatically acknowledges the issue, apologizes, and encourages the customer to get in touch. But that is not it. The system also gets all of the reviews and all of the responses logged into the Google Sheet automatically. So as we talked about Manish Makhija, here as you can see, Manish Makhija left 4 stars. Whatever the review was, what was the time and the date, and what our reply was, and what the sentiment of the review was. So the system is also including the reviewer's name, rating, original review, response sent, the sentiment, date, and the store location as well. This gives the team a complete audit trail and also makes it easy to track trends across all of the locations. Result: every review gets answered consistently and on time across every store. Nothing gets missed, and the team can focus on improving the customer experience instead of repetitive admin work. And this is just the foundation. We can also add AI generated personalized response, instant alerts for negative reviews, and reporting dashboards for a better visual understanding. If your team is spending hours on repetitive manual tasks like these, there's a good chance those processes can be automated. Feel free to reach out to GrowStacks Automation Solutions, and we'd be happy to understand your challenges, discuss the problems and a possible solution, and help you build automations that give your team more time to focus on what really matters. Thank you so much.